I'm a mutant. Let's do it again. Mutated settings. See? We've been infiltrated, lads. The top Gooner pack. The realism pack. Hold that. Hold that expedition. Oh, but you're so happy that we drew the game. Yeah, I'm extremely happy. I'll be real. I'm extremely happy. More than you believe. More than you believe. Do you know why I'm happy? Do you know why I'm happy? Because now you have to align your opinions with me, mate. Yeah, and for 5 years. Chinch for your Romanian G's. Cinco for the Spanish. Got 5 on it. And I've held that every week. Pause. Yeah, every week for 5 years. Hold that. Yeah, hold that. You're captain, yeah? The creative spark. The creative spark getting subbed off again when we need a goal. 22nd time that's happened since he's been at Arsenal. 163rd game. For a 17-year-old. Wow. 29. Baby giraffe settings in the Pennyworks. That's Vieira. That's not 29. That's a proper player, bruv. Yeah, that captain never got subbed off, innit? That captain never got subbed off either. Just saying. It's looking kind of peak for you top Gooners. We're seeing fan channels deleting fan cams and editing them. Cool. Well, I'll say what I want to say because I don't care about sponsorship, mate. Like the mutant channel that keep finessing you mutants. Bless up Lee Judges. And I'll say exactly what he said. If I had a gun today, I would have shot Martin Odegaard. They pulled the fan cam, edited it, then uploaded it again. Cool. Guess what? Hijo de puta. Yeah. I said the exact same thing on stream. He should be put down. Real talk. Club captain, you know. Let me wipe my nose. Let me wipe my nose. But guess what? At least we got nice drip. We got nice drip, lads. We walked out in the bomber jackets that are worth 180 euros according to Arsenal.com. Yeah, Sean Dyche, yeah. Let's spark up another one of these because he smokes 180 a day, mate. Yeah, and he's on the LEME Azul. Yeah. He's on the hard food, mate. Let's smoke them. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. Let's up X, because I know you'll clip that. We do have a cigar left. The Romeo and Juliet. However, we do have a whole pack of 10. We've got an emergency meeting to go to. Oh, but you're so happy that we've effed it up. No, I'm not happy we've effed it up. However, I'm extremely happy that you idiotas granilipollas, after aligning your opinions with me. Took you 5 years, mate. 5 years and counting. Cool. death threats, storytelling. Come to the Emirates, you'll get weighed in. You're a waitress. You're a transvestite. You're a pool cleaner. Yeah? You're dodging your tax. You're the worst fan in the world. You're the worst Arsenal fan. Cool. Why are they all doing the same thing then? That was scandalous. We dropped a stinker in a must-win game. How many times have we heard over 5 years, oh, it's a must-win? Must-win. It's only must-win if you dickheads, yeah, and you are dickheads, yeah, it's only must-win if you dickheads actually hold the club to account if we don't win. However, don't worry, guys. Win against Palace on Wednesday. Oh, the League Cup. What, the same League Cup that you've dismissed? Oh, the League Cup's beneath a club like Arsenal. Cool. What did this idiot say? Oh, win me the League Cup, keep the manager. Hold that. Yeah? 5 years in the making, mate. 5 years in the making. Untold abuse. Not that I give a fuck, because I turn up every day. And you know what? I'm going to milk every single last fucking drop out of this tonight. Because you see why? You see our striker, 29, £1,666.67 per hour. Every hour of every day for 5 years. You see our El Salvadorian Jesus. He's probably on about 1,500 an hour. Cool. I'm milking it, mate. We're milking the cow tonight. Pause. Moo. Hold that. Hold that expeditiously. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. And a Happy New Year. Yeah? Hold that. Yeah? You man have chatted the most shit to me. Now you have to align your opinions with Lee Gunner, the enemy of Arsenal. The biggest problem at the football club is Lee Gunner. Like I said, threats of violence. Threats of the word I'm not going to say begins with R. Yeah. My daughter, my mother, my sister. Come to the Emirates, we'll beat you up. You ain't going to do shit, bruv, because you ain't even there anyway. And even if you are, you still ain't doing shit. Hold that. My time to shine, mate. Yeah, I told all of you lot. And when you're all in tune, because it's fashionable tonight to be, yo, it's not great, is it? Oh my God, we bottled it. Oh my God, I can't believe the performance. Oh my God, this, yeah, it's fashionable, yeah? Where you been? Where have you been? Talk to me nice. Yeah, talk to me nice. Talk to me extremely nice. Yeah, and don't ever fucking chat shit to me ever again. Yeah, you lot can hold that expeditiously. Yeah, I told you on the 25th of November 2019, which was whilst Unai was still in the job, by the way. This manager was linked. Nah, not for me. It'll amount to nothing. It's a shame I ain't got that Twitter account from back in the day, because I posted a tweet out saying, I'm not backing this manager. It'll amount to nothing. He'll send us back 5 years. Fuck him. Blah, blah, blah. 1,148 quote tweets of abuse. Shame I ain't got that tweet. It's what it is, isn't it? Marinated for 5 years. Cool. Slow cook. Yeah. Crock pot settings. You man don't know about marinating your food. Pot noodle settings. Yeah. I'm going to milk every single last drop. Yeah. Because you know what? You lot chat shit. The ones that watch me every day, the ones that turn up every day and understand what I'm saying, because it comes from here. And believe it or not, I do have a heart. It's not a cold stone. It is actually a heart. Yeah. You man are the realist. Bless up. Bless up. And the females. Oh, non-binary unicorns as well. Yeah, we have to be inclusive. However, you see you like that are chatting shit. Yeah, you can hold that expeditiously. Yeah, hold that. As soon as you fully go Arteta out, this, your debuta, is Arteta in. And I'm the pettiest person I know. And I can do petty better than anyone. Best sarcasm in the world. Massive platform now. Bless up to the people, then. Bless up. Come on, nearly 108K. Come on. Yeah? Trust your manager. But who could do better? Every manager I gave you, you dismissed. Cool. Trust the process. Soon as Pep falls off, he's next to the throne. He's heir to the throne. Cool. I've got a big forehead, mate. It's a 5 head. Yeah. Hold that. Yeah. 5 years. 5 años. Chinchanya. Okay, cool. 5 years, mate. Yeah. Trust. Yeah. You lot are finished. Yeah. You're finished. Hold that. Trust your process, mate. The process. Trust your captain. Hair flick. I told you he's shit.